And then about 5 to 6 seconds drift is what you're looking for.
Be careful, 2 or 3. There you go. Yeah.
Pull it hard. There you go. Now reel in gently. There you go. Keep tight.
Let him run when he runs.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. Get that full foot down.
Did he get off?
Down. There you go, right there. Perfect. That was perfect, man.
Good job, bud. Okay, now you're back to the line.
Back up a little bit and then swing it this way.
That's a good fish.
Swing your rod this way. Reel to your sinker. Okay, relax.
Run with it.
We'll let it relax. Don't go straight. Reel up to your sinker. We got him. Oh boy, this is a good one.
Yeah. Good job, bud.
Okay, now swing your rod tip this way. Low, low, and then just as he gets to the net, we're going to raise it, okay? Try it again.
When he starts running like that, pull the, yeah, there you go, so it doesn't.
Put your rod tip that way. There you go, low, low.
Reel it in.
Sinker. Up your sinker.
Is that your boat there?
Yeah, it's ours.
You got a line that's out in the water and our fish got caught up in it.
A line? Okay, thank
So
you.
you want to pull
Yeah.
the line out of the
Yeah,
water.
I'll
Or
grab
I'll
it.
do it for you if you want.
Yeah, if you don't mind, thank you. Oh, we're good now.